Here are the 5 best boxing drills for beginners. Boxing trains your brain, improves rhythm, coordination, and dexterity, and provides low impact, fast twitch fiber, and cardio training.
The shin box squat is the ultimate hip mobility drill, and it's an underrated butt builder. Now, the big focus here, start with a stick to self-assist. We've got 90-90 shape. I'm internally rotating the back leg, externally rotating the lead leg. Exhale through the mouth going up. Inhale through the nose going down. Once that gets tasty and you feel good about it, you can progress to body weight only. Make sure we go slow on the descent. This will also be a great drill to really open up that rotation to unlock your hips for more punching power.
Please ask me any questions in the comments section underneath this video.
Footwork is everything when it comes to boxing. The key is starting with the staggered stance. Left foot is right in front of the left shoulder, right foot is right behind the right shoulder. You're on the balls of the feet and there's a straight line between your feet. Get your guard up. As I go forward, front foot leads. As I go backward, back foot leads. When I'm going laterally, same concepts up top, but left foot leads going left and right foot leads going right. I can increase hip and thigh activation by dropping my hips down for a better lower body workout.
Get my bands and all my apparel from sleevessoldseparately.com.
The jab and the cross, or the 1 and the 2, are the 2 most important punches in boxing. Now the jab is the easiest punch to land because it's on your lead shoulder, and it also helps set the distance between you and your opponent. It's the ultimate setup punch for a punch like the cross or the 2, which is a power punch straight down the middle. For both punches, notice how the wrists start facing here in a neutral position, and they rotate and finish overhand. And the big focus between these punches, when you jab, the weight transfers from your front to your back foot. When you throw the cross, the weight transfers from your back foot to your lead foot. Both punches involve pivoting feet and rotating hips for maximum power. And I'll tell you what, that's all I gotta say about that. Now, I did say this was an all body weight workout, but you can enhance the workout with a couple additional training tools. One, put a mini band above the knees, which will do a couple things. One, it will help encourage proper foot spacing. If you come too close to the feet, which you don't want to do, the band will actually get loose on you and can fall. It also increases lateral hip activation. You can use it on all the boxing drills. I can also increase the intensity for the arms by wrapping a mini band around the trunk, or I can use a heavy bag for the jab and the cross. In terms of breathing, for all footwork drills, you're going to be mixing between an inhale through the nose and an exhale through the mouth with each step. For the punching drills, you're going to mix between an exhale on the punch, inhale back to recover.
And here are 2 bonus band drills to help improve your punching power and protect your shoulders.
The band pull apart improves posture, strengthens all of your upper back muscles, including the rhomboids, the traps, and the lats, and it also trains scapular retraction, or pulling the shoulder blades back. You can do it with an underhand grip, which winds the shoulder into an external rotation, which targets your lower traps more, which pull the shoulder blades down, and mobilizes the shoulder girdle. You can also do it with an overhand grip, and I like to go like this, pull it right across that nipple line, back, and this gets a little more rear delt.
Please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a video.
The band SCAP press trains scapular protraction, or pushing the shoulder blades away from each other, activating your serratus anterior muscles alongside the ribs, which is key for shoulder health and performance. Now, you can do this drill with an overhand grip the whole way, but I also like to mix in this particular variation where I'm actually mimicking the way I would punch. So you start palms facing, and as you push out, you rotate overhand. And you know, it's no surprise, the serratus anterior is called the puncher's muscle, so it's a great way to kind of apply our boxing mechanics. Now, you can also take this drill, and I actually like to do it with a SCAP bar. So I'll put one end of the band around one end of a stick or pipe, or as I call this, a double-sided dildo, and it allows me to kind of get a little more freedom of motion, and it's not as stressful on the hands in terms of using a lighter band.
Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for fast, fun, and effective workouts for busy parents and professionals, get a free trial to thedailybj.com today.